Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change color of your tasks in Google Calendar. So first, we'll go to launch up Google Calendar, so it's right here. Okay, so we see my task. They are a bit of a shade of a blue. And to change the color, all you need to do is first copy the top left. See these three horizontal lines? Go ahead and click on that. Now, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see the settings. Okay, this gear cog, the settings option. Go ahead and click on this. Now, what I need you to do is scroll down. Okay, find whichever emails, tasks you want to change colors for. So let's say you wanted to change the color for this one right here. Okay, so what I'll go ahead and do is click on tasks. There we go. And then we choose the color. So this color was called Cobalt. And let's say I want to change it to Flamingo. I'll select Flamingo. And if I come back here to Google Calendar, you'll see that it has been changed. Really that easy and simple.